my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my motivational cleaning video. So in today's video I am doing part 2. I did part 1 a couple of weeks ago now. I did all of downstairs in my house. If you haven't already seen that, then I'll leave a little card up here and you can click on that and go and watch that one. Today is concentrating on upstairs. I'm going to be doing my bedroom, I'm going to be doing my bathroom, my spare room and my landing. So I thought I'd include a bit of declutter today. My wardrobe has needed to be done for the longest time. I've got stuff in there like cardigans, woolly jumpers, things like that I wouldn't normally reach for in the spring summertime. So I just thought, why not just get it done. I've got some really good bags where you put everything in the bag and then you suction it out with a hoover. I'll show you as I go along if you're not sure what I mean. I'm also going to be selling some stuff on Vinted. So I'll try and put the details of my Vinted link down below. If you see anything in my wardrobe that you like the look of and you think you might want to buy it, then I'll try and leave the link down below. Also, I'm going to be putting stuff in a bag just for charity. I'm sorry if I keep looking outside, but it is absolutely pouring down outside and there's a little boy jumping on the trampoline. I mean, he's having fun in the rain, but I have no words. I have no words. This is the area that I live in. But yeah, so I'm going to be decluttering that wardrobe today. So hopefully this video is going to give you a little bit of motivation to get those little jobs done that you've been putting off for so long, just like me. I put all the links in the description box down below for the products that I'm using today. If you are new to my channel, then thank you for clicking on my video today. Don't forget to stay by subscribing, by hitting that little red button down below, and without further ado, let's get into this cleanup. So I'm just going to show you what I need to do today. So basically this is my bedroom. So obviously I need to put some clothes away here. I've got some bits down the side of my bedside cabinet that needs sorting out. Then I've just got some bits that are just laying around and just need sorting. The dust. And then all the floors hoovered and mopped up. Also the windowsill needs a bit of a clean up as well. Also, would it be a cleaning video if I didn't do a list? That I was starting in my bedroom. Tidy, make bed, polish, mirrors, hoover and mop. So there's not really that much to do in here, but like I said, I do want to declutter and this is a lot of stuff to do for decluttering. I'll put you guys on the tripod and I'm going to do a time lapse in my bedroom because there's not actually that much to do. It's just a little bit of cleaning up, a little bit of washing to put away. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. Let's get into it.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the
somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place.
Good morning everyone. So I'm saying good morning because it's currently Monday morning. So yesterday was Sunday. I did all my cleaning and everything on Sunday, but I was just too tired. My back started to hurt and not finished the video. Could not do the declutter. I just could not bring myself to do it. So I was trying to be sensible, waited for today to do it, but obviously I'm going to add it to the end of this video. That's why I've changed, looking a little bit different because it's coming in the next day. But yeah, I'm going to get on with this declutter today. It just really needs doing, but I just don't know where to start. Honestly, there's so much to do. So many clothes that I need to sort out, but it's got to get done. It goes around so you can see what I'm faced with and what I've got to sort out. Is my wardrobe right now. As you can see, I've got lots of stuff at the top of the wardrobe. I've got 2 mirrored doors and then I've got 2 glass mirrored doors down there. Also, guys, look at this. I smashed it. I was putting something in the wardrobe the other day and yeah, I completely smashed it. I am gutted about it, but you know, it happens and we just get on with it. So if I show you inside, put you on wide. So this is currently the inside of my wardrobe, which just looks a mess. It just gives me so much anxiety. I've got stuff down there that I need to sort out. I've got the grandkids' clothes in there. I've got clothes that I've just shoved in when I've been in a rush. And then it's just not organised. Look at it, it's just really not organised. So yeah, I'm going to put you guys on a tripod. Also, I want to sort these drawers out as well because, yeah, look, they're just a mess. And at one point I did have all of this sorted out. So yeah, I need to sort this today. It's just a complete mess at the minute. It really does need sorting out. Yeah, I just want to get it sorted, guys. Honestly, I just want to get it sorted. So let's just get straight into this.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do.
So the wardrobe is finally empty, apart from my little bottles of Flora. My wardrobe's actually coming out at the back up there, and I think that's where I've been pushing stuff in the bottom of it, but I'm going to get Brandon to sort that out for me. But yeah, it's empty. I've even cleaned off the top. I mean, there's something at the back there that I can't reach, but I've even cleaned it out. The amount of dust that was in the bottom of this wardrobe is unbelievable. So this is the current situation. Put it into piles, so it does look a mess, but it's an organised mess to me. So here I've got all my sweatshirts, hoodies, things like that. Here on my pillow, I've got all my tops. Then I've got one skirt here. I literally only own one skirt, apparently. I've got a cardigan here that I know I'm going to keep. And then here, this is my massive pile of like woolens, cardigans, jumpers, things like that. This is the section that I really need to sort out. Boohoo stuff, and I've got Boohoo stuff in here, like clothes in here that never really wore, never fit me, and I never sent them back. Also, I've got all these spare hangers, but I want to try and get everything on the same hanger. The only thing is, these hangers are really, really pretty. They're the rose gold ones. But honestly, your clothes just fall off them. They're useless. And then down here on the floor, I've just got a pile of jeans there. That stuff at the back there is like stuff that I used to do the painting. Then I've got a pile there, which is all joggers. Got some trousers down here, some shorts. These are my pyjama bottoms. Oh my god, guys, these are the most comfortable pyjama bottoms ever. They're like that Borg material. I do have a matching top to go with those, but I wore it the other day with something else. Yeah, so this is my organised mess. Then I've got this box here. This is just the kids' stuff, stuff they've left here and I've washed and just put away for them. But I think I need a bigger box because this is literally piling out the box at the minute. These boxes, they're normally quite good, but this is broken, so I need to get some more. But I've got these boxes from the pound shop. They're actually quite big boxes. I've got these in Brandon's wardrobe and he's got the grey ones and he's got a lot of stuff in here, so they are normally quite good, but I've obviously tried to pile too much in those. And if I sound like I'm out of breath, oh my god, Tilly, what are you doing? She's got her leg up in the air. Yeah, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah, so I'm going to sort out these bags first. I know I've got boohoo stuff in there that I'm not going to wear, so I'm probably going to sell that. It's got tags on as well, so... And if I'm out of breath, guys, it is because I've just run up the stairs, so... I'm not the fittest person. Also, I feel quite embarrassed, but look how many glossy boxes. And these are all empty. They haven't got anything in them, but... I am a massive hoarder. I don't even know why I've kept all these boxes. I mean, some of them are so pretty. But I just don't know. I don't need them, so I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to get on with this and put you on a time lapse while I sort out all those boohoo stuff.
For the last time, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, don't need you here to feel alright.
So I've done all that pile there. That is just literally the vintage stuff and the boohoo stuff that I had. Not vintage, vintage. I'm going to start with this pile here now because this is just a load of woolen stuff. I know a lot of this is going to go away. Obviously some of the little cardigans and things like that I'm going to keep because we live in England and it's not that warm. So I'm going to do this pile here now. This is the bag that I was telling you guys about. So basically you just put all your clothes in here, then you undo this bit here, and you put your hoover here and you suction all the air out of it. It's so good and it saves you so much space. I think I got this, it was a pack of 2 or 3, and I actually got them in either the pound shop or Home Bargains, one or the other, but they're so inexpensive. This is where I'm going to put my clothes that I know I'm not going to wear until maybe autumn time, and then I'm going to put them away in the loft somewhere.
It's crazy how we started off so good.
This is how it's looking so far. I managed to get all the woolen stuff sorted. These are tops and this is what I'm going to be doing next. This is all my vintage stuff that I'm selling. This is what my wardrobe's looking like. So as you can see, I've hung some stuff up. So here I've got some dresses and then I've got some light colour woolen stuff, cardigans, bits like that. Then it goes into the blacks. Then I've got grey stuff and then it goes into colours. So yeah, it's looking more organised and just a bit more spacious really, and I haven't actually got that much left to do. So like I said, I've got all the tops here to sort out. This stuff I need to lay out and take pictures and then put my vintage. Just finished putting this away, sort that box out, and then I'm going to start on those 2 drawers down there. So I'm going to put you guys back on a time lapse so you can see what I'm doing.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
finished for the day. I'm so happy I have finally finished. Like, honestly, I am so tired now, so tired, but I've completely finished and I feel so good that I've finally done it. So I'm going to open up the wardrobe and show you what I've done. I wasn't that ruthless, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, so I have finally finished my wardrobe. I'm so happy. And then at the bottom I had loads of space, so I've just put overnight bags. I've got a little handbag there, and then I'll show you the drawers. So in the drawers I've managed to put all my joggers, and then these are just like shorts and pyjama tops and things like that I normally reach for, especially when it's getting so warm at night. And in this drawer here, hello Naylor, hello. And then in this drawer here, oh my gosh, no, knock me over. Gosh, she's getting so big. This drawer here, I've just got loads of little tops. These are just like black tops that I wear. These are just t-shirts sometimes that I grab. I've got some little tops there, got some shorts here, and then under here I've just got all bits and bobs that I wear. Got some pyjamas, these are so cute. Some more pyjamas. I've actually got a pyjama drawer on the other side of the room, and I'm going to put most of my pyjamas in here now because it's honestly, there's so much in there, it's really hard to actually shut the drawer. And then I've just got a few belts there. But yeah, it's so much more spacious. I can open and shut the drawers better. And yeah, I'm just so happy with it. All that's left to do now is this bag. I've actually been watching BBC iPlayer. I'm watching Missing at the minute. If you haven't seen that, you need to go ahead and watch it because it's so good. But I'm just going to suction this out. I'm going to show you how it works.
By you forever, I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever.
So that's it. I'm all done now. All I've got to do now is put that stuff on Vinted. I will do that a little bit later on. I've got to find somewhere to put those glossy boxes, probably in recycling bin. I'm not going to lie, I don't know why I've kept so many. But yeah, I am completely done now. So I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Just a little bit of a different one today, more of a vlog sort of style video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know by giving it a little like, because then I know that you enjoy these sort of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you all soon for my next video, which is coming on Wednesday. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Mwah.